In this video, I'll be sharing with you two most powerful platforms that you can use to generate unlimited images and videos. And not just that, you can also use it to clone any website or any social media handle of your choice, because the results are insane. Guys, some of them don't require login details, while some requires login. No subscription, no card required, no watching of ads. Absolutely free. Some you can use Grok AI and Seedance 2.0 absolutely free. And guys, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use all of these platforms. So come closer and let's do this together. Guys, without much ado, let's get started. So the very first platform we are going to be looking at in this video is this platform here. Figma platform, okay? And please follow it step by step so that you can understand how this is being used, okay? Now, it's very simple if you follow this step by step, and you are going to get your free credit. Don't skip any part of this video, okay? So the moment you open to the interface, you're going to have a beautiful interface just like this. The question is, what should I do next? The first thing you're going to do is look up, you're going to see start now, or you sign in, okay? Any which way works. So guys, let's go ahead and start now. Now, once you start now, you're going to be moved into the next interface that might look a little bit confusing, but that's why I am here. And use any of these, whether you want to use the login with Google, login with Figma, or login with Microsoft. So for me, I have a Google account here, so I'm going to go ahead and click login with it, okay? Whether it's your first time or you've used the platform before, it's still going to give you the same interface. So please follow it step by step. Very simple and straight to the phone. The number one bonus I'm giving you in this video. So let's start from there. This is the bonus. Guys, are you excited? Let me show you. And this platform offers you free Grok AI generation. Okay, so once you see things like this has been blocked, okay, it might be from your system. You can, okay, unblock it always. Go ahead. Now, this is my bonus for you, okay? You have access to Grok AI here and Seedance 2.0 here. Other higher models, they are all here. So let's go. So go ahead and log in. So once you click on that, you're going to select your email. Which of the email do you want to use? Basically, I always advise my subscribers, ensure that you use the emails you're using should be different from every other email that you'll be using, okay? This is what the interface looks like, okay? It looks a little bit confusing, right? And you'll be wondering, what do I do next? Okay, so guys, that's why I'm here. So every login, you'll be given access to, I've used this platform before, you'll be given access to 150 credits, 150 credits, okay? I've used this before. So I'm going to sign out and use another email. Exactly what you should be doing. Make sure you have multiple emails, okay? Because with this platform, you will use free credits to use and create using Grok and Seedance. So I'm going to select another email. So like I said, every time you sign in to this platform as a first timer, you're going to be given a free credit, just like you are having the 150 credit. And possibly, if maybe you want to gain more other credit, you can decide to join their Discord platform. There you have access to other credit that you want to use, okay? So for now, we are going to make use of this 150 credit. And that's the more reason why I advise you to have multiple emails so they can use to generate this using Seedance and Grok and even other top models also. So guys, let's go ahead and create something quickly. So create new file here or create new file here, any which way works, okay? So I'm going to select anyone, whether here, or anywhere. So click on new file. All right, so once you click on this new file, you'll be redirected into another interface where you have to start creating your videos and your images. So guys, this is where it's getting more interesting. You're going to see how beautiful and how amazing and seamless this platform is. Not just that, it gives you the ability to generate using your favorite models. Guys, let's watch and see. So once you are here, you see start tutorial. That you don't need to start. You just have to skip it because that's why you are here. I have all the information for you here. All right. So you're going to see this blank, confusing space. Don't worry. I'm going to show you the way around. So you're going to click on this, your interface. Okay. Just click on it and you're going to see prompt. And you'll see export, preview, import model, and all of this, right? Look down here, you're going to see image models, video models. This is what we are looking for, right? So once we click on these video models, you want to see generate from text to image, where you have all these models, Seedance 2, Seedance 2.0, reference, Grok image, Grok Imagine Video, View 3, top models are here. So what we are looking for is Grok Imagine, right? You can select Seedance, anyone works, okay? Go ahead and let's use Seedance first. Then the next one we use Grok. So this is the model, okay? This is the model that is going to run everything, right? So you come here and you see this is how much this is going to cost. 127 credits. Don't worry. Come here and select this 480p. Now if it's still total cost is this, then you preferably use this one. Okay, use 70. Then this is the duration. All right, then this is your aspect ratio. Okay, you said your aspect ratio. Select the one of your choice. Just pick the one of your choice, and you're good to go for the video. Okay, now you come here. The question now is, where is the prompt? Don't worry, that's why I'm here. Click here. You want to see prompts, and the box is going to come up like this. Then you bring it up here. You can see how beautiful this platform is and seamless. Great. So you're going to connect this prompt to here. Okay, so this has been connected to the video. This is the module. So now the thing is, now this is the prompt, and then this is the, okay, so I have my prompt already that I generated using ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. Everything is in order. Good to go. Our prompt is here, text to video. So if you are cool with it, you go ahead and hit run. But remember, for you to use Seedance, you will have to spend this amount of credits. Okay, so let's see what Grok AI has for us. Let's see what Grok AI has for us. So for us to change our prompt, now this is standard. If you need fast is lesser. Okay, fast Seedance 2.0 fast has 0.2 credits. So you see, the higher the model, the higher the credit. So you can decide to use Seedance 2.0 fast. Okay, but then let's see how much credit Grok AI has. Okay, let's see how much credit Grok AI will use to generate this, okay, for us. So let's go ahead and select Grok Imagine. All right, now when we select Grok Imagine, we are going to come here. Let's see how much Grok Imagine. Grok Imagine uses only 45 credits. So why can't we use Grok Imagine? So you can ignore this, take this out. Do you understand? Click delete from your keyboard on your keyboard and it's gone. Then take this here. So we can use only 45 credits to generate our images. With 45 credit per image, you can see you can generate, with 45 credit you can generate more videos, and you have more credits remaining for you to generate your images. Do you understand? Without much ado, let's go ahead and hit run. So when you are okay with your prompt, remember to confirm your settings. If your settings are okay, aspect ratio shouldn't be auto, adjust it, set it to aspect ratio of the generated video. We need to set it to 16:9. Okay, you are good to go, right? The duration is 6, and then the resolution is the highest, like not like the highest, but at least it's high, 720p resolution. So go ahead and hit run. Then watch what is going to happen here. If you want image to video, the same process. You just click on this node and look for image models. Look at it, image model, where you're going to generate your image. Maybe generate from text. You want to generate image from text, you can click on this. Generate from image, you can click on here and then select the model you want to use. You can use ChatGPT image 2, you can use Inksfield, you can use any of these, okay, platform, like any of these models to create your images. So let's go with, let's say ChatGPT. All right, ChatGPT is going to be here, and I'm going to paste my prompt here. Very simple. This is our image, right? So you can shift all of this so you can have space for our image. Now this is for our image prompt, right? Good. You can adjust this and then take this here. Awesome. So now for us to get our prompt, you click on here, prompt. Yes, so here, and then you connect this one. So here you have, this is prompt for image, then paste your prompt for image. So I'll quickly head over to ChatGPT and get a simple prompt, okay, for my image. Awesome. Take it back to the platform and paste it here for ChatGPT to, run it for us. Then you're okay, good to go, but you need some settings, okay? The settings is very simple. You come here and you see image generation is just 9 credits, and then quality is medium. You can increase it to high. When you increase to high, it increases your credit. So why don't you use medium? Here is very important. Now you need to find out what's the ratio of 16:9. That will actually help you to know the size you are going to select from here. Do you understand? So you need to convert this, okay, so that you understand the ratio that your image is going to come out as. Do you understand? Perfect. So good to go. We are perfect. So go ahead and run the model. So you see the two models are running at the same time. You see? So this is how you use this platform to generate. I'm going to show you the final result. So guys, wait for it. Awesome guys. So our video is here. So you can go ahead and expand it. Okay, so that you can look at how it looks like and what it looks like.
No filters, no limits. These tools don't just create, they change everything. Everything.
Wow, that is perfect. So if you're cool with it, go ahead and hit download. You know why I said I love Grok AI? Grok AI is insane. So this is like scene 1. So you can use the same method. Now look at how many credits is remaining. So literally you can use this to create another 45 credits and even create up to 3 videos. Then switch email and use another email to create other ones. As simple as that. And then here is our image. You see, it has given us different angles because of the size that I gave. You see, it has given us different angles. This is like for consistency purpose. So if you're cool with it, go ahead and hit the download button. So this is how you use this platform to generate. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular platform, okay? And the next platform I will be showing you in this video is, let's head over to this amazing platform. A lot of people are still sleeping on this platform, and it's insane that this platform is doing a lot. So it is Arena AI. This Arena AI is all in one. You don't need to get scripts from ChatGPT. Everything is here. So I'm going to show you quickly how you can use it to get ChatGPT and keep generating. So here, if you come, you're going to see your battle mode and agent mode side by side. Now this battle mode, it compares to anonymous models. So you have to, compare to anonymous models. The agent model is built for complex tasks. And then side by side, you see, this agent mode is a new feature that has been infused. Wow, this is a new feature that has been introduced, guys. This is a new feature that Arena AI brought in, the agent mode. So let's see what the agent mode looks like. So we are going to give a simple prompt here. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen. Just a simple prompt. And then it said agree. Yes, go ahead and agree. Yeah, we need to log in. So you need to log in. So you see, Arena AI has actually improved to adding another feature, agent mode. So here you just give one simple prompt and everything is done. Guys, let's watch the output of this new feature. This is amazing. I can't wait to show you the result, guys. Agent mode preview. Okay, so guys, our simple prompt is here. So go ahead and hit send. And it's going to analyze, to start analyzing. Wow. Exactly. It has given us, here is a polished image generation prompt based on your description. So was this task useful? I can tick yes if it's okay. Okay, so let's go down. This is character consistency, same young man character. And then it has given us the detailed prompt. I gave just a simple prompt and it has actually given us a complete prompt. So you can literally copy this. Let's generate our image. Just copy this from here, or you click here to copy. Beautiful. So let's change the mode, okay? We are going to change and select direct mode, okay? So that we can generate our image. This is amazing. So guys, let's generate our image, then select your model. You can select any model of your choice. We have all of them here. Seedance is here, Seedreams is here, Imagine is here, Queen is here, and so on. Lord, you can see all the Grok, and even Grok, we have Grok here for image. So go ahead and lovers of Grok, click on there and then go ahead and send. Now watch the output. So it's insane that we have this seated. Just check this and then you're good to go. We have this seated in front of us and we're not making use of it. Guys, start using this platform moving forward, okay? This platform is just there, and now you can have the agent mode where you have to give a simple prompt and it will analyze it and give you the necessary result, like the right prompt, and make everything amazing for you, optimize it for you. Now it's generating our image, as simple as that. So we are going to view the image and see what's the output. The image is here. Amazing. So let's view it. Amazing. This is lovely. This is what Grok gave us. So you see, this platform is still free as of today, and this is unlimited. Let's generate video using Arena AI. All right, so what you need to do is to go back to the interface, generate our video. Okay, so I can select a video here, generate. Then you come here and then you allow it to be here because it has to be here. All right, built for complex tasks. So this is for complex tasks. So let's just say to of course, compare to this thing, to tasks. So let's copy the entire prompt and then there's paste it here. If you want to upload that image reference that we use, let's say you have scene 1 and scene 2, you want to upload it. So let's go ahead and select it. I just hope that is the image. Then you paste it here. Great, that is the image, right? Then you're going to go ahead and paste our animation prompt with the dialogue and everything, and then we leave the work for this battle mode to do the job. Now let's go. So now this Arena AI will automatically understand that this picture is landscape 16 by 9, so it will align the generation to fit in with what we gave. So boom, our two results will start generating automatically the moment we send the prompt. So this is how you use this platform, and as at the moment this video is made, this platform is still very much free. Guys, our videos are here. So you see, you have two options to select from any one of it. So see the one that is suitable for you. Just have to preview them and then it choose the one that you want. Arena AI is on another level, guys. Can you see the effect? Can you see the
filters? No limits. This was where
this looks better.
Real creation begins. They change.
This looks better. Okay.
Tools don't just create, they change everything.
Beautiful. This looks
no filters, no limits. This is where real creation begins. These tools don't just create, they change everything.
Can you see the perfect lip sync? And you can see it corresponds with the image that I gave. That is very perfect. The consistency is amazing. So for you to remove this watermark here, you take it to your editing platform and edit it out. Okay, that is just what you need to do here, and everything is boom. One more last thing on Arena AI before we one more last thing on Arena AI before we end the video. And then if you are looking for more tools, like I said, more tools will be coming, because I don't want this video to be very long. I have to cut them in batches. So if you've not liked the video, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so don't miss my next upload. I'll be bringing in more updates, okay, as we proceed, so that you can have options, more options. So guys, let's see the last thing that this platform has for us. But before we see that last thing, if you are looking forward to start a faceless channel, I'm running a 3 days live session where you can learn everything from start to finish. The link will be in the description of this video, and you can check the page. If you love what you're seeing, you want to be a part of this, 1st June everything kickstart for batch A. So be among the people that will join the class. See you in the class. That's the last thing that Arena AI asks for us that we want to look at in this video is now the ability for this platform to generate websites, build an app, and all of that for us. Okay, so this is insane. This is insane. This is what a lot of people are sleeping on. And then the beautiful part is that you can literally use a direct mode, like a direct model. Like you can select your model, what type of model do you want to use. And the last one I showed you was latest Grok 4.3. There's this new model that has been here, Kimi. This particular model is a new model that has been introduced into Arena AI. We have Kimi 2.5 thinking, we have Kimi 2.6. So let's go with this thinking. Okay, awesome. So any of the model, just try it out. It's going to give you excellent results. So we are going to build an app. Beautiful. So at this point, you don't even need any website. So if you have a website you want to clone, you can literally want to clone Instagram feed. So it's going to clone, design an Instagram style feed with postcards like comment, buttons, story circles, profile headers, use CSS pattern instead of photos. So guys, this particular feature is able to export, you can literally clone any website of your choice. So let's say you want to clone Facebook, TikTok, even YouTube here. You can literally clone it just by following this pattern. Do you understand? So this is one of another amazing feature about AI, Arena AI. Now, if you want to watch how you can use this to create your websites and build apps, I made a video about it also. So I'm going to still leave the link in the description of this video. So find time, go watch it, and start building amazing things using this platform. So today's one is cloning website, then cloning any type of website of your choice. So guys, this is insane. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video, the output, the result, and what you think. Did it deliver very well? And remember, I'm not using Grok 4.3 here. I'm using another version, another model, very powerful model, Kimi 2.5 thinking. So you can go ahead and try other models and see the output. Absolutely free. Like you can see, I have not paid anything, no card, no subscription. It's just free, and I'm still generating. So as at the moment, this platform is free, and you can see the images, the videos, perfect lip sync. So guys, don't sleep on these. So I'm going to update you with more tools moving forward. So stick around and don't leave this page. So guys, this is insane. This is absolutely, this is Instagram feed. This is what it looks like. You can't believe this, guys. Now let's open it in a new tab to have a proper overview of it. This is amazing. You can see your username, switch. You can see all of these. So guys, you can literally use this to clone any website, any apps, any social media, even social media handle. You can see. So all of this is for you to work on them in the back end. So guys, let me know what you think about this particular feature. And this is so real and so sweet. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Guys, if this was very helpful and eye-opening, don't forget to drop me a nice comment, and then see you in the next one.